Hello, dividend executives. It is Friday, so you already know we are trading options. We're reviewing our plays from last week. Some that may expire worth this, some that we may get assigned on. And we are tallying up how we did for the week. For the last year, we are up 23%. For the year, we are up same 23% because this is a new account in February. 3 months, 13.75. 1 month, we are actually down now, about 3%. For the last week, we were down 3%. And for the day, we were pretty much flat. And where you wonder what happened. Well, Apple has come down, Amazon has come down, and Tesla has come down. So these are the stocks. We're up 2,800 on Apple. We're up 2,900 on Amazon. And we're down 2,800. So we went from being up over 2,000 to down 2,800 on Tesla off of a good earnings report. Kind of crazy, but that's what the market does. We added some money this week. We bought some stocks this week, and we have some options that need to be traded. So far this week, we were up about, you can see $18 on Apple Play. Amazon, we're up $40. Rivian, we're down $50, but I'm taking assignments, so we're not down at all on that. We will just collect the full premium, and we will be assigned those shares, and we'll sell a call on Monday. And we are up 228 on our Tesla call. A great downside hedge. Like I said a couple of videos ago, Tesla, when you're trading covered calls, it is a bearish bet on the stock, and the stock was bearish this week, so we stayed under our strike price, and therefore we collected the full premium on that. It's worth $1 to close it out. So we'll close it out, and we will get a new option opened up. And yeah, it's a great downside hedge. And so what did we do with that premium? What I did is I went and bought some Tesla with it. And then we have a longer dated AMC play. We're up $77 on that. Currently 57% on that. So we'll keep letting theta decay at that one. So what did I do this week? Well, I bought some JEPQ. We are about 7% of the portfolio in JEPQ. So we'll scroll down here. This is off of the QQQ NASDAQ 100. We had some dividend paid earlier this month, and then I went in and bought a share. You can see 4806. And so we continue to add to that. JEPQ, we were at 96 shares, almost 97, and I'm going to get that to 100. I'm just going to keep adding to it each and every single month. And that's what we're doing with JEPQ. So happy to see that. I'm just going to keep adding each and every single week. And eventually we will have a larger position there. So that is JEPQ. Tesla, I also purchased some Tesla this week. We purchased $375 worth of Tesla. This is a big portion of our portfolio, and I'm going to continue adding to this one to bring down our cost basis. Fair value, they're saying, is $215 on this. Again, we had a pretty decent earnings report, and the economy is what it is, but this stock trades like crazy. So we bought $100 on the 7th, $75 on the 10th, and $200 on the 11th, which was today. So gonna keep adding to this one each and every single week. Cost basis on this one was $267. So we just need to sell. We just make sure that when we sell calls, that we do not let the shares go for less than 267. And if we do that, we will not lose any money, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Well, let's get some plays going here. 195. Let's buy this back for $1. We should be able to buy back all of our contracts for $1. So we're going to go back and buy back our Apple call for $1 there. And we're going to book the profit there. And we're going to free up all of our shares. Amazon, we should be able to buy this back for $1. Yep, $1. So this is about as good as a covered call can go. When you can just buy it back at the end of the week for $1. I could let these all expire worth this and sell them on Monday. But we are going to get it done today. And then this Rivian put, like I said, I'm going to just put the shares. I'm 100% okay with that. We were paid $43 to buy these shares, so our actual cost is $22.10 or $2,210. And yeah, I'm just going to take the shares on that. Rivian is trading right around $21.59. Should be very easy. I'm probably just going to wheel the stock, but I like having a little bit more exposure outside of Tesla in the EV field. And then AMC we're leaving open. Tesla, like I said, we are up on this position, 99.56%. We're going to buy that back for $1. And we're going to close that out. So let's buy that back. We're going to book the 228, and bada bing. We have, quote unquote, lowered our average cost on that, right? So $228 is added to it. So even though we are down on the position, the $2,700, you got to remember we got paid on the put, and we've been paid multiple times on the call side. So if we go into the Tesla history here, see if I can scroll down here. Let me just look at a little bit of history here. We're just going to go to the Roth IRA. And you can see here, so I mean, all these pluses: short call roll 228, short call roll 113, These are all purchases, 118, 247. I mean, look at all this. And then this is where we bought it back for the 257, 132. So hundreds and hundreds of dollars that we have been paid for selling calls and puts on Tesla. So it says we're down 2,700 on the position, but it is definitely worth noting that we have been paid hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of dollars to sell calls and to sell the put to enter the stock. So now let's jump into making some money, right? We have $31 in the buying power. It's time to boost that up. So what are we going to do? We're going to come in here and we are going to trade some options, and we're going to trade them. The market has not been great. Apple is pretty flat for the day. It's up 0.19%. And I'm probably going to go with a 182.5. It's a little bit more aggressive on the delta at a 0.2 delta, but the market has pulled back quite a bit. And I'm going to give the stock a little bit of room to run, but I want to get some premium coming in here. So we're going to throw one in on Apple at the 0.2 delta. This, like I said, it gives it some room to run, but we can still, there we go, fill to the 45. So just like that, we just brought in 45 to the account, and you will see that instantly hit our buying power right up here at the $76. So that is Apple. We're going to go in on Amazon as well, and we're going to trade options. And we're going to be a little bit more aggressive here on Amazon as well, probably around that 0.2 delta. Yep, so we're going to do the point. We might do a little bit. So we might, let's do the 0.5 a delta. So we're going to do the 0.5 delta here. That's going to pay us $40. Should fill, yep, $40. So that's $85 right there just on covered calls. And then we are going to sell Tesla as well. So this is how easy it is. We are just selling covered calls on our shares. I'm going to scroll up here. Again, our cost basis on this is this 267.5. So if we wanted to play it really safe, we're going to do the 41. Overall, I just think that Tesla is just getting beat right now. So I'm probably going to go a little bit more aggressive. Maybe like the 265. Let me look at this. The 265 is a 0.08 delta. 262.5 is a 0.1 delta, and the 260 is a 0.13 delta. So we'd really have to rock it. We're sitting at 243 right now. We'd have to have a $17 move to hit that. I'm probably going to go with the 262.5. We're going to bring in not a whole lot of income, but still $72. And again, I'm not going to sell it for that price. If we end up going there, I'll either use the odd lot strategy or I'll roll up and out. But just like that, $72. So between the three plays there, you know, we just made $150 or so dollars. And what am I going to do with that cash? Well, I got 188 here, so I'm actually just going to continue buying a little bit more. So I got 188. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to buy one share. So this is what I like to do. I like to take some of my premiums and I like to add it to forever assets, right? So I'm going to buy some JEPQ, and that's going to add to my long-term play. And that brings us up to 97, almost 98 shares. And then that we have $140 left. I'm going to buy another $100 worth of Tesla. And that's going to lower my cost. So we're just going to go to the dollars here. And we're going to do another $100. So $100 added there. We're just adding to our forever assets. You know, I added 375 to Tesla earlier in the week. There's another 100 there. So 475 added to Tesla. And let's see what that brings our cost to now. We just want to keep bringing the lowering the average cost. We're down to 267.10, and I'm just going to keep buying each and every single week. We take some of our assets, we create premium off of them, and we add to the account. And so far, the account is doing really good for the year, up 23%. And we just keep creating assets. We creating income off of our assets each and every single week, and then we convert that into some forever assets. So these are the plays going into this week. I'm going to be taking assignment of Rivian. I will sell a call on Monday, and I'll probably sell it really aggressive at the 22.5, and I'll just do a premium play for it. Everything else is looking good. Happy to take assignment of anything else. And those are the short plays we have. We're up on our Apple, we're up on our Amazon, we're down on our Tesla, and we're up on our JEPQ. And I am going to just keep doing this. So that's what we got for the plays this week. Drop a comment below if you have anything that you think I should change in this strategy, or you think I should add to the strategy. Always happy for feedback. But so far, this has been working. In my main account, in this account, everything combined, I did just under $16,000 last month in total income for options. And I'm sitting at $76,000 of income this year between all of my accounts in options income alone. So we're just going to keep tallying it up. We're going to keep showcasing my strategies and what I do with my long positions, my short positions, and my will positions. And we're going to keep knocking away at financial freedom. So thanks everybody for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Appreciate all the love, all the support, and happy investing. We'll see you later.